Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can fade audio in Clipchamp, so let's get right into it. Now, fading audio is just pretty much a phenomenon or a option you have to either make the audio, well, fade in. If the video is starting, it goes from quieter to louder until it reaches the volume of the video, and the fade out is when the video is ending. The audio slowly fades away and it becomes quieter and quieter until the video ends. To do that, it is a very simple process. You just need to, of course, drag your video into the timeline to start editing it, and once you're here, you can go into fade. However, this will fade out and fade in the video. To actually edit the audio, you need to go into the audio tab and click detach audio, and then select the audio of the video itself, and then you have the fade option to edit that. And now you can select it all the way from 0 to 2 seconds with a 0.1 second interval. So if I set it to 2 and 2, the beginning 2 seconds will fade in and the ending 2 seconds will fade out the audio, and that is pretty much it. If I close this down and select the video, as you can see, the video does not fade in or fade out. But if I go and select the audio and go into fade, as you can see, it is set up and the video will play normally, but the audio will fade in and fade out according to the settings that I have set up. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.